everyone, my name is Craig, I run Groom and Butler in Peterborough. I'm here on the Outback stand today at Professional Beauty and just wanted to really recommend their product. I've tried a lot of waxes that are on the market and we always come back to the Outback Blue strip wax and also the gold. So thank you very much, Outback.
Okay, so I've been on the Outback training recently and found it really helpful because we were originally using it a little bit differently. Yeah, it's really good. The training came in-house, showed us all the works and the products and the background, and yeah, the whole team found it really useful, and now we're absolutely loving the product and using it better.
What do you like most about using Opal?
It's it's vegan friendly, so a lot of our customers now turn vegan, so obviously we can offer that service. And then it does not leave any redness or anything like that, and it's not sore after me, so that's always a pleasure to be having an intimate wax.
I use the Opal hot wax, and there is nothing, and I can assure you, as I say, I've been in the business for many, many years. When it first came out, I always used Gold, which was my go-to wax, and I never thought anything could actually be better. Well, I then started using, when Opal first came out, I used it for the first time and I could not believe what I was using. The quality of the wax is superb. The way that the wax actually has a slightly lower melting point, and its stability is beautiful. The elasticity is superb. You never get cracking, and it's I mean, as I say, I've always kept it as my little secret, so shh, don't tell.